Y'all see the prop bill, so you know what time it is. It's time to get into another savings challenge video. So if you want to see how I'm going to allocate these $27, hey y'all, hey, it's D. So we're just going to hop into this video. This money did come from a tax client. I have been helping somebody get caught up on their filing for their taxes. So yeah, y'all. Today I'll be allocating $16 towards my 96 envelope monthly savings challenge. I am trying to finish this hopefully by the end of July, if not the 1st of August. $4 will be going towards chill out. $2 will be going towards my fries challenge. $4 will be going towards calculate, and $1 will be going towards the flowers. So stay tuned. So today I will be putting a total of $16 towards my 96 envelope savings challenge. As I stated, I am hoping I can get this done in July, but at the latest the first week in August. With the $16 I will be able to finish October and November. And yeah, y'all, and I have almost successfully completed a long-term savings challenge, which is the first time I've been able to do this on my channel. So stay tuned. $8 has been allocated for October, November. I am so excited. I am anxious to get this done. I am realizing that I'm not the type of person that can do long-term saving challenges, because I want to get them over with as soon as possible. That's why I like to do smaller challenges that I can go ahead and knock out in gratification. So stay tuned. I am almost finished with coloring in the last envelope. So yeah, I am so excited, y'all, and I'm excited to see how much money I've saved. Whew. I am recording this video early per usual, and today is 7-3. This will be my last cash stuffing July, which I think you will see in the 4th or 5th week of July. But anyway, y'all, 2 months done in one video. Thank you for my tax client. December to go. Let go. Let's cash stuff this money. But before we do that, I did just look at my subscriptions. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I share low income budgeting, paying off this is my debt, and preparing for pre-retirement by investing in dividend stocks. So as of today, color in one more icon, and hopefully by the end of July I will have over 1,300 subscribers, and by the end of 24, 2,000, but we shall see. Thank y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And this is what I've saved thus far with the monthly savings challenge. Does have a total of 96 envelopes in the 12 months. And as I stated, I'll be cash stuffing a whopping 10, 15, and 16. So this is most I've cash stuffed in one challenge at one time in a while. So I am excited for that. Ballin'! Got a lot of 5s up in this joint. The next saving challenge I will be getting into is my chill out with ice cream. I'm trying to save a total of $40 with this one, and each one of my ice cream scoops is worth a total of $2. So I will be marking off this 2 and 2, which is $4, which I've allocated towards this challenge today. So this one is coming along. I'm halfway there. Now, what is your favorite ice cream? Let me know down below. I personally love butter pecan ice cream and strawberry. It just depends on what I have a taste for at that moment. So let's go ahead and add this 2 and 4. And with this challenge, I have a total of $20 saved. So as I stated, I am halfway there. Yeah, that's 20. I am almost done filming my videos for July. I do have a couple bonus videos, so I have been filming more than usual, but I am ready to wrap up these videos so I can relax for about 2 weeks without having to film and go out there and support other channels and work on things I need to work on. Alrighty, so for today, I will be doing my baby fries versus real fries savings challenge. This is part of the Friday movement that Nija started on her channel, which is Budgeted Bacon. I will have her link down below. And Nine Blossom is also, well, she was doing this challenge, but she did finish it up on her last video. So thank you, Nine Blossoms, for joining in on the shenanigans on these baby fries versus real fries. On these challenges, if I roll a odd number, I will be allocating $1 towards the baby fries. If I roll an even number, I will be allocating a total of $2 towards the real fries, which I am team crinkle fries because they're the real fries, and the baby fries are shoestring fries, which Nija and Nine, for whatever reason, they like the little bitty fries. But yeah, y'all, so let's see what we rolled today. And I did get this 12-sided dice from Toya from Toya's Tenacious Life, and I got the sticker inside here from Nija. So let go. Alrighty, so that is a 9. I get confused, but I think that is a 9. I'm gonna call it a 9. Cause what the 6 look like? Yeah, that's a 9. So, all right, that's all. Okay, looks like the nasty fries are getting a total of $1 today. Leave me another $1 I can allocate towards something else, because I did allocate $2 to this challenge. And all right, I did color that with some mustard because I don't like mustard and I don't like shoestring fries. It's all about the crinkle fries. Hashtag crinkle if you like crinkle fries. If you like the other fries, don't do nothing. Y'all, this has been so much fun. Alrighty, so let's go to the fries challenge. I did just wake up from a nap. I might sound kind of off, but I want to go ahead and knock out another video today. Let's see. As I stated, $1, and I should have a total of $4 saved now. So I should have a total of $4, and that is what I have. Alrighty, next we'll be getting into my Easy Saving Challenge book catered towards low income, which I have available on Amazon hard copy, and I have the digital copy available on my Buy Me a Coffee shop. And we are working on the Calculate That Money challenge. And as I stated, I will be allocating a total of $4 to this challenge. Each icon is worth a total of $2. I'm trying to save a total of $32. This book does have a total of 11 challenges and 11 trackers. This was my most popular book sold on Amazon in the month of May. So I'm so excited for that. And in the month of June, I did sell a copy of my new mini savings challenge book that I released back in, I think, April or May. So thank y'all so much for supporting my books that I do have available on Amazon. They are always linked down below in every video that I post. So it looks like I am halfway through with this challenge also. So I have 2 challenges that I'm halfway through with, and this is exciting. As I stated, I prefer to do smaller challenges so I can get quick wins and then allocate those funds to where they need at the time that I finish the challenge. Y'all, these were some of the first challenges that I created that are in this book, and you know, they're older versions of my creativity, but I still love them, you know. And my new book of my mini saving challenges represents the more creative challenges that I started doing later on after I first started doing challenges. So yeah, y'all, halfway done. And adding these $2, I will have a total of $16. So 2 and 4. Well, adding these $4, I think I said, I can't remember, but anyway, it's a total of $16 that I have saved, and I do use prop money because I prefer to keep my money in the bank. I did have somebody question me on one of my shorts, but I have money. I just don't cash stuff it. You heard me? Okay, so for the last savings challenge, I did originally allocate $1, but since I rolled a baby fry on that, I will be allocating a total of $2 to this. Now, this is one of my A5 7 challenges that I just released probably like a month ago, and these are available on my Buy Me a Coffee shop. These are apprenticeship only. I did create an array of challenges, so yeah, y'all, I am. Look like I'm halfway done with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm halfway done with 3 of my challenges. So exciting. Okay, I think the flowers is up here. And I'm going to have to change this tracker. I'll do that off camera. So originally it was going to be $9 and now it should be $10. And that's what I have saved. Okay, so that is my $27 saved, and I'm so excited to be almost finished with this one and halfway finished pretty much with the rest of my challenges. So that means in August I will be having some new 7 challenges that I will bring into my channel, which is so exciting. That just means I have accomplished another goal by finishing challenges. So y'all, thank y'all for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you need some motivation on how you can save money, invest, pay down debt, and what have you, all on a low income, because that is what my channel is all about. If you made it to the end of this video, please leave me a heart emoji. All right, y'all, don't forget to make the money, but don't let the money make you. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.